Hi, and welcome to Module 3. In Module 3, we'll consider how the curriculum and instructional design are inherent to IB programs and to the DP in particular. Before moving into the first task, please take a few minutes to complete a course survey. This midpoint survey feedback is very valuable as we continue to work through this course and plan the other courses in this certificate program. In Module 3, it will be very helpful to continue keeping your notes in your journal. Remember, the journal will not be submitted. It is just a suggestion for how to get the most out of the learning engagements. We will continue to divide Module 3 up into required posts. So look in the task title for a quick view of where you've been assigned. Once again, choose one of the 4 reflect prompts to submit as your performance of understanding for Module 3.